Hi guys, in this video I'm going to showcase you how to join the data with help of Python. So guys, this is a series of videos. Okay, before going these videos, right, please watch my Python basics. That is very important here in order to understand this code. Okay, so basically I have created here data one equal to one variable, and this is the data set guys which I am using. So ID colon one, CNAME, customer name, alias, values equal to 10, 20 like this. Okay, so I have taken one data set similar for the second data set also. Okay, similar for second data set I have usually I'm using here, and this data set it contains like 3, 4, 5 and categories ABC and price. So since these two data set, I want to join on what basis. So basically, if you see common records and ID. So basically, I'm doing the join on these two columns, okay, with help of using for loop. So for loop here for row one in data one, for row two in data two, it means it is going to iterating the items, whatever in the data set. So for row one in data one, for row two in data two, okay, this one, it is going to iterate one, ID1, ID2, ID3 like this, the loop will execute. Same for the second data set, this one. Then it is converted to if row one ID equal to row ID2. So basically here I am doing this one, okay, making the some, if logic condition, join row. So this is the way we have to join the row guys. Star row one, star row two. Okay, then I'm creating one column. Join total, okay, one variable. Okay, join total variable I have created, then join row value plus join row two. So this is like I'm calculating the total, okay, by creating new column and time, and I'm using plus symbol. Okay, so as well as if you see here total column is not available, but if you see here total column is available, right? This total. So I have created the new column and I'm creating this, okay, this total. Then join data append join. So I want to add this data in. So basically join data append. So whatever result it is coming, I'm going to add it here. So basically this is the process. So this is about we are normally using to make the join condition. Join the data set from the common ID column. Then after this, I use the two loops, in order to iterate the each item on the data set. And second, then I'm going to check the condition and measure this column. So whenever the condition is matching, so it is going to join. Okay, two rows. And means like basically join all isn't happening. Then I'm come back here. I'm creating one total row. I'm creating join row value plus join row plus. Okay, so this is the column values which I'm added here, value one and value plus. So these two calculations I'm adding here. So I have done like some summation also done here. Then I'm going to append it in the newly created. Okay, join that append with join. So after this one, I want to showcase in the output rate. So for row in join data print row. Now let me execute this code. So now we should have the second. So my series of videos I will try to cover data engineering with Python. Maybe this will help you to understand more this with help of Python. Okay. So the series will help you basics plus a little bit advanced. But guys, please watch the Python basic before coming into why, because I have explained the for and statement how to utilize basic you can easily understand. Thank you guys.